guys, here is my early birthday cake. We'll see from who. Great British Trucking Royal Mail Registered Priority. Pero hindi po natin kukunan kung sino yung nagbigay. Ayan o. Nakikita nyo ko hindi. Ayan o. Tracking sign by Plot B. O Plot B daw, Plot B. Yung pangalan din natin papakita. O makikita pa. Ano kaya ang nasa loob niyan? Buksan na natin. Ay, ayun. From where? Pero ayoko ipakita. Balik na rin natin, ha? Para hindi obvious kung sino yan, ha? Buksan na natin, guys. Buksan na natin, guys. Natin sirain si Royal Mail. Kaya sa likod natin. Sirain, ha? Ayan o. I'm so excited. Ano naman kaya ang laman ito? This fun all right. Ano ito? Pinaglagyan. Oh wow, what's this? Looks like a dress. Small, but seems to me like very, I don't know. Joy. Okay, joy to the world. Sinarap pa. Tingnan natin kung ano ang laman. Tingnan natin kung ano yung nakalagay. Merry and bright. To Jocelyn, wishing you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. That's love. Grand P. Si Papa Grand P. So sweet. My diary mug. Diary milk is very good. This is the one I like because this is really sweet. Whisper. Oh my God. What is all this? Oh my gosh. Fantasy story. www.fantasystory.corporated.uk. My God, very short, small skirt. Ano daw din ito? Oh my God. This is dress, but very short. One long. Oh, this will be very sexy. Oh my gosh. So funny, huh? So funny. And let's see what is this. Black. Look like a lingerie. So I gotta see dress also. Wow, this will be a very sexy dress. My gosh. Oh my god. You cannot really see it, but I opened it already. What is this also? Small. Like dresses. Oh, sexy. All sexy dress. My god, look at that. Sleeveless guys. Oh, this one I love it. Oh, the slit also from the other side. Wow, very, very sexy. My gosh. So, one, two, three, four. Five items. This lemon soon, guys. Oh, this one is night. But although night is sexy, it is small, but it's very nice. I love it. Thank you, Papa Ron's. So many collection oh my goodness, so much. We'll see later on update you when I try on, guys. Okay, guys, so at least you see the I unboxing. What kind? But this is a skirt. I never knew that this is skirt. It's a lycra micro skirt size 4 to 6. Wow, this one is very sexy, very small, very short. Wow, my gosh. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing gift with chocolate. Lovely, so sweet. That's all now again. Oh my god. Thank you guys for watching the skirt, guys. Okay, so the skirt. As you can see. First time skirt. So this is the skirt. I'm matching with this one. So okay. How is it? Alright. So this is the skirt, guys. Very tiny, tiny. So first try on the skirt, okay? Hi guys. Okay, so another try on. Okay, so now the dress. The dress, guys. Okay, so this is dress number 2. Mini skirt and first dress. I will try the other dress, guys. So let's begin. Oh, another dress, green, like gray. All right. Nice and see. The dress green. This one is too loose, too big. Even though I put belt. Okay. Right. So this is too loose. This one. Too loose. Last one. Okay, guys. Last one, guys.
So this is what, once again, is the marching.